Hey friends, this is VeTHO here, and welcome to the update on VeThor. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel, the price on a VeThor pumped very well but got rejected by a quite long-term uptrend line resistance. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, and this was a down channel, and by the way, I have been showing you this channel even before the breakout, and I was telling you that after the breakout from this channel, the target will be here at the top of the channel at $0.007, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. If I play this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it was almost 782% pump, and the price then got rejected by this uptrend and resistance, and now it is bounced very well from this long-term support of half cents, $0.005. That was recently working as a resistance here for several days. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this half cents, this support is has been previously breaking as a very strong support here for a few weeks. On the 7 days time frame chart, so far the candlestick is not closed, but on the daily time frame chart, you can see that the candlestick is completely closed above this support, above this resistance of 5 cents, not 5 cents, at half cents, $0.005, and now it is breaking as a nice support. And now we need to break out the next resistance of $0.007. That was also the target for the breakout from this channel and also breaking at a very strong resistance as well. Previously, it was working at a resistance here. Now we are moving back to the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that this $0.007 has been previously breaking here in the month of March 2022 as a very, very strong resistance. And here it was working as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, I have been also showing you this wedge even before the breakout. And I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far, from this low to here, it has rallied more than 1,306%. Before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for VeThor that I shared in the previous month of December on 2nd of December 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish garlic pattern that VeThor completed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from this buying on and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was a very, very massive rally, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of VeThor. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it has been moving inside this channel. After the breakout, we had a nice pump. And the price then got rejected once again by this uptrend and resistance. If we zoom the chart out, let me to show you in the 7 days time frame chart, then it will be easy to watch this resistance. You can see that previously it had been working at a resistance here in the month of June 2022. We got rejection here. Let me just zoom this chart out so you can watch it easily. We got rejection here, then we got another rejection here, then we got another rejection here, and recently it is once again rejected and dropped down to the next support of $0.005. Almost had touched this support, and after testing the support, it is geared up, and now it is again rejected by the next resistance of $0.007. Let me just show you on the 4-hour time frame chart. You see that we bounced very well from this support. First, we had a bounce here from this support of $0.005. Then for a while, we broke out this resistance of $0.007. Again, broke it down. Again, had another bounce from this support, and now it is once again rejected by this resistance of $0.007. And in order to continue this move to the upside, first we will need to break out this resistance of $0.007. Then we will need to break out this very long-term resistance, the up trend line resistance as well. And if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, this is the uptrend line resistance coming from the month of May 2022. And almost at the same level, we also have this very long-term resistance of 1.3 cents. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.